this is Rishabh and I welcome you to the Python Hackerrank series. I hope you're enjoying solving problems with Python. So the next problem which we have to solve is around lists, wherein we have to perform different list operations. Let's just go ahead and solve the challenge. Cool, so consider a list. List is given to us. You can perform the following commands. We have insert I and E, insert integer E at the position I. Okay, print, we have to print the list, remove E, delete the first occurrence of the integer E, then append E, insert integer E at the end of the list, sort the list, pop the last element from the list, and reverse the list. Cool. Initialize your list and read in the value of n followed by n lines of commands, where each command will be one of the 7 types which are given to us. Iterate through each command in order and perform the corresponding operation on your list. Cool, so one of the simplest ways to solve this problem would be to use multiple if-else conditions, and let us just go ahead and use that only for this specific problem. So we are given around 7 operations, so let's just go ahead. For I in range n, because there's a number of commands, right? Now we have to read in the command, so let us just go ahead and read the command first. So command equals input. So now we have the command. Okay, let me actually perform 2 more operations. Input.strip .split, because what the possibility is that your input may have multiple elements. Like here with the insert command, you can have operands as well along with the opcode. So that's why it is important to split it. Strip basically removes the spaces from the sides, which I don't think is required here, but just for the sake of consistency or coherence, we have used it. So now we have the command, but all the elements in this command list, they are all in the string format, which is not a problem for now, but later on when I have to perform any of these operations like either insert or remove or append, then we'll have to typecast them to integer or numeric type. Cool. So now we have the command, and before that I think we do not have the list. Okay, so let's just initialize an empty list. I'm calling it an ARR for array. Cool. Now the first thing is, so list we already have. First is if the command is insert. So if command 0 equals let's say insert, then what we need to do is we need to say like, let me just call the 2 variables as a and b. So a will be command 1 and I need to pass it to an integer. Cool. And b again int command 2, and what we need to do is we need to say arr dot insert. So we have to say that insert integer e at position I. So I need to pass in I first, that is a first, and then I need to pass b, so at 8th position, because they are saying that I, E, and insert integer e at the position number I. Cool. Then let's go to the next command, elif. Let's first cover these commands wherein we have some arguments as well. So remove and append. Yes, so let's check elif command, let's say 0 equals remove. Then what we need to do is delete the first occurrence of integer e. Okay, let me just call it e only. So e is your int and command then 1. So we have to say arr dot remove and we have to pass in e. So these are the built-in methods. Like all these all the methods which are written here, they are actually the built-in methods which are available on list objects, so we really don't have to think much. And then let's say if command 0 equals append, then what we have to do is we have to say e equals int and then command 1, and here we need to do arr dot append e. Awesome. So we have implemented all the functions with the wherein arguments were there. Cool. And now comes the print. Elif command 0 equals print. I can simply do a print arr. Similarly, elif command, let's say 0 equals what else is left? Print, insert, remove, append we have covered. Sort. Okay, so if it is sort, then I can call the built-in method, which is arr.sort. It's the in-place sort for this array. Okay, next is pop. So if elif command 0 equals pop, we can simply say arr.pop, and by default it will pick up the last element, and that is what we need. And then we have the reverse. Elif command 0 equals reverse, then we can do arr.reverse. Cool. I think that should be it. Let me just go ahead and try to run the code and see what happens. Awesome, congratulations, we have kind of passed the sample test case. Now let me go ahead and try to submit the code. Awesome, so we have, seems like we have passed all the test cases. We have earned some points as well. So this was a straightforward problem. The idea behind this problem was to basically tell us that all these methods, they exist on a list. So next time whenever you're using a list in Python, you can assume that, no, not only you can assume, you should know that, okay, these are the functions which are already there and I can always use them. Awesome, so I hope you got a better idea about what are the different methods which are available on the list with the help of this video. I hope you found it to be a little insightful. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye and take care.